7. Impatience. Patience is a great virtue, and many good things have been said about it, of which I do not feel I can add much, except to say that it is very important. However, sometimes, despite knowing that we should be patient, we find ourselves having trouble enduring even the simplest of things. Why is this? Is it due to great arrogance on our part, or perhaps some selfish desire? Sometimes this is true. However, in these modern and troubled times, there is often a hidden reason behind our quote-unquote impatience, that is, mental illness. For instance, one person may have ADHD, which affects the brain's ability to handle both stressful situations and dull moments. Yet this is not spiritual, and thus such a person must not be hard on themselves, but instead work on various strategies which can help make their condition more manageable. There are also other mental illnesses which can make patience very challenging, in particular whenever one has endured severe trauma. That is because when a person has endured trauma, their mind and hearts keenly remember the feeling of being helpless and vulnerable during the horrible experiences they have endured. And when that same feeling of helplessness is felt, no matter if the situation is, quote-unquote, not anything to get worked up over, such a soul may even have a mental breakdown. And this is often not because of their own lack of patience, but due to them being reminded of the traumatic events they have endured. Thus, it is important to treat everyone lovingly, even when it appears they have no patience. For it is by no means always a sin or a spiritual failing, but sometimes can be a symptom of a serious mental condition, which must be handled with discernment and respect. May God grant us all the forbearance to treat everyone with compassion and understanding, no matter how difficult and unreasonable they may seem.